Hello guys, let's solve this problem. We are going to read n numbers. Out of them, we have to find the number with the smallest sum of digits, and among them we have to find the biggest one. So the sum of digits for this number is 3. The sum of digits for this number is 3. Sum of digits for this number is also 3. Sum of digits for this number is 20, and for this number is 6. You see that all of them have the same sum of digits, which is 3, and out of them, this one is the biggest one. So, let's start. Let's create variable n and let's read variable n. Now we want to create a loop that runs exactly n times. In the loop, you will read your variable x. In order to read it, first you have to declare it. Now I want to find the sum of digits for this number, so let's create variable sum. And usually I set it to 0, but this time I will not set it to 0. I will explain why. So after reading the number, I want to go through all digits of the number while x is bigger than 0. Sum is equal to sum plus the last digit of the number, and you want to eliminate the last digit. So after reading the number, I want to set sum to 0 because I have to reset it for each number. Because for the first number, when you find the sum of digits and you don't reset it before the second one, it will continue adding up to the old value of sum. That's why before calculating the sum for each number, you have to set it to 0. And now I want to check if my sum is the smallest sum. So let's create variable min sum, which is a very big number at the beginning, and I want to check if the sum is smaller than min sum. But at the same time, so the sum must be the smallest sum, but the number x must be the biggest out of them. And let's create variable max, which is a very small number at the beginning. And I want to check if my number x is bigger than max, right? No, it cannot be, because I lost the value of x while eliminating the digits. That's why you have to keep the copy of it. So let's create variable copy, and after reading the number, I want to get the copy of my number x. And here you want to compare if your copy is bigger than the maximum. And if it is, inside of maximum, you'll put your copy, and inside of your min sum, you'll put your sum. And now when you finish doing it, you want to print the maximum number. So this code looks correct, but you will see that at some point I did something wrong. So let's check it for this example. Let's run it. So you see here, guys, it shows 201. Why? Because even though the sum is 3, you see that 3. So the sum for this one was 3, and the next time the sum for this one is also 3, and you'll see that the sum will not be smaller than 3. So this will not work. Or for this one, let's say the sum of digits for this one is 3, and since 3 is not smaller than 3, this will never work. That's why here you have to put if it's smaller or equal to min sum. So let's run it one more time, and now you got the right answer.